Hello again, everybody. The first part of the video stopped, so I'm going to continue this as part two. But what I want to show you here is the mulch. Look at the difference in the color of the mulch. That's the compost that I made with the drunken mulch. And this is just leaves that I put on top of cardboard here. Inside there is some kale that I put in. But getting back to that mulch, boy, within 2 weeks, you got some pretty good mulch. Okay, continuing with the tour. Back in there are potatoes that I planted. Those are the potatoes I think I planted on January 9th or January 10th that my wife had purchased, and they're coming along fine. In that green bucket there, behind that white bucket, are more potatoes that I purchased the seeds for. Okay, let's move on. In here are some onions that I planted and zucchini. Zucchini's coming along real good. These are the garlic that I planted that I had in the refrigerator, and they're supposed to come along. They call it vermiculization. I think that's how you pronounce it, vermiculization. Anyway, once you chill the garlic seeds, they're supposed to grow within 6 months or so. In here is some more zucchini that I planted. Now I put these cages over the zucchini. You'll see another one in there to prevent the boar from getting it. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but boy, sure it's worth a try. That boar really wipes you out. Okay, to finish up, I'm going to show you the azalea plant that I took the cutting from. This thing is just beautiful every year. We had a heavy rain last night, so I don't know how it did. But isn't that a beautiful plant? Look at that thing. Just gorgeous. And that's why I'm trying to propagate it. I think that propagation took. That's just a beautiful, beautiful plant. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Stop back again, see how things are coming along. That plant is just beautiful. Again, thank you for watching.